In this lesson, you will learn 3 easy steps to create and submit a request for proposal or RFP on NITAC's electronic government ordering system, more commonly known as EGOS. The EGOS system allows agencies to issue, compete, and award task orders under CIO SP3 and CIO SP3 Small Business. Follow these easy steps to issue, compete, and award task orders. In your web browser, go to https://cio.egos.nih.gov/ and enter your username and password. Select RFP from the drop-down menu under Create Order, CIO SP3 and CIO SP3 Small Business, then click Create. There are 3 steps to creating an RFP. First, you define the requirement. Next, upload files. And finally, submit to NITAC. Start defining your requirement by entering a title and a short description. The field can only hold 1,000 characters. You will be able to upload all of your support documents under the Upload Files tab. Next, add points of contact by choosing Click to Add and enter your primary and alternate contacts. The customer CO or KO, your contracting officer, is the only required point of contact. Additional points of contact can be the customer core or contracting officer's representative, and the customer CS or contracting specialist. Check the box to not allow the core to view cost responses, or check the box to limit the authority of the CS. Ensure that everyone who needs access to the order is listed as a primary or alternate contact. Next, select all contract types that apply to your requirement. If a contract type is needed that is not listed, select Other Contract Type and enter the name and description. Next, you'll select one of the contract filters: CIO SP3 Small Business Set Aside Contracts or CIO SP3 Full and Open Contracts. Then select the Set Aside filter. If you choose CIO SP3 Full and Open Contracts, select either Unrestricted or Small Business. If you choose CIO SP3 Small Business Set Aside filters, select one of the following: Small Business or SB, 8A, Service Disabled Veteran Owned Small Business or SDVOSB, Historically Underutilized Business Zone or Hub Zone, and finally, Women Owned Small Business or WOSB. Next, select all task areas that apply to your requirement. As you select the task areas, the eligible contract holders will display under Contractors Found. If you uncheck one or more eligible contract holders from the list, you will be asked to select an exception to fair opportunity from the drop-down and enter your justification. Or you can choose Contract Selection follows the FAR competition requirements. If your request for proposal, RFP, is performance-based, click Yes. Otherwise, the system defaults to No. Email notifications are sent to unsuccessful offerers by default. If you don't want this notice sent, uncheck the Unsuccessful Offerers box. Enter your Independent Government Cost Estimate or IGCE. Note that this is for NITAC use only. Other contractors do not see this field. The next step is the order processing schedule. Choose when you'd like the order released, either immediately or pick a specific date. Select whether you will accept questions, and if questions are accepted, choose the deadline date and time. Next, choose the deadline for proposals to be submitted and enter the anticipated award date. Note that all dates need to be at least 1 day apart. Review your information and make any edits. Once it's correct, go ahead and save work for later or upload files to continue. When you're ready to upload files, select one of the document types from the drop-down. You must enter a requirements document, either a statement of work, performance work statement, or statement of objectives. This selection is visible to contractors and again a required field. Next, you can add any documents you want contractors to view under Supporting Documents visible to contractors. You can also add supporting documents hidden from contractors for documents that you don't want contractors to view. For each document entered, choose Select Document Type, give it a title, choose the file to upload, and click Add Document. Note that the order ID is located at the top right corner. All documents are stored in eGOS throughout the life of your contract. This means you can use eGOS as a database of record for official files. Once all of your documents have been added, review the placement to ensure they are listed in the correct location. You can save work for later or continue by clicking Next, Release. To complete the process, click Submit to NITAC. We will assess your documents for scope, technical issues, clarity, and other factors, and get back to you with any comments within 12 hours. You can choose to accept or ignore our recommendations. The final package is up to you. On your OK, we'll release to eligible contract holders. Should you have any questions about your RFP, contact NITAC support and provide your order ID number.